I'm a web developer, but I'm also a volunteer firefighter, and I love it.
I'm a national security analyst during the day, and I volunteer as a firefighter. It's a chance to serve my community and have an exciting time doing it.
I'm a college student, and I'm also a volunteer EMT.
I'm on my way to be an ER physician. I think being an EMT is a stepping stone to that, so this is some good practical skills on that route.
I'm an accountant, but I also love being a volunteer firefighter. I'm a local 26 union electrician, and I volunteer because I love to be part of a big brotherhood and keep my skills up.
It allows me to learn new things. We're constantly training, constantly learning new skills.
The fire department is the greatest opportunity I can imagine. It challenges me every day.
I'm an electrical engineer, and I volunteer as a firefighter to help people. I like to do something exciting, something interesting that makes a difference in the community.
Volunteers train and work side by side with their career counterparts. We're all part of one of the best and most respected fire departments in the country. Volunteers begin their journey by learning basic skills like use of fire extinguishers and CPR. These skills are valuable in day-to-day life as well as the fire department. During this early period, volunteers may begin riding as an observer to gain field experience while continuing their training. After basic training, operational members must become certified as an emergency medical technician, or EMT. Training is extensive and includes several months of classroom time and practical skills practice. Students learn to assess a patient, provide treatment for trauma and medical emergencies, and the correct procedures for transporting patients to the hospital. Being an EMT is one of the best ways to serve your community and help people in need. More than half of all calls are for EMS services. Some EMTs choose to progress to advanced training as a paramedic. Volunteers learn defensive driving and practice vehicle maneuvering so they can safely operate under stressful response conditions. Driving an emergency vehicle requires training, the right attitude, and extensive practice. Some volunteers spend their careers as an EMT. Others elect to continue training to become firefighters. Becoming a firefighter requires 500 hours of classroom and practical training. It'll be one of the most challenging adventures of your life. Firefighters learn skills with ropes, ladders, hand and power tools, and of course, fighting fire. You never know what the day will bring when you're on duty as a firefighter. Your training as a firefighter and EMT never ends. Throughout your career, you'll continue to train to respond to all sorts of emergencies, including things we hope may never happen, such as explosions, natural disasters, or mass casualty events. Firefighters may also learn to become driver-operators of fire engines and other fire department vehicles. Experienced firefighters may also continue their education and become certified fire officers. Volunteers perform many support functions, both on the incident scene and around the fire station. Volunteers operate 4 canteen units that respond to extended emergencies to provide crews on the scene with food and refreshments.
We provide EMS services for tens of thousands of people attending community events, and we think the community really appreciates our help. We enjoy it, and we perform a great service.
Back at the fire station, there are chores to do, but you're always working as a member of the team. Being part of the team and surrounded by people who put their lives on the line for you can form a special bond that may last a lifetime.
Take the challenge.
Be part of our team.
Serve your community.
Work with great people.
Have some fun.
Learn new skills.
Help make a difference.
Ser parte del equipo.
We need you.
Do something rewarding with your time. Volunteer with the Fire and Rescue Department today.